Obesity treatment for young people in the U.S. is rapidly changing. Adolescents and young adults are increasingly using GLP-1 weight loss medications, while rates of bariatric surgery are declining, according to a new study. Researchers analyzed records from more than 204,000 patients ages 13 to 25 who were treated for obesity between May 2022 and January 2026. They found exclusive GLP-1 use increased from 88.2% in 2022 to 96.1% by early 2026. During the same period, bariatric surgery rates fell from 11.6% to 3.7%. GLP-1 medications alone were used more often in teens than young adults and more often in males than females. Using GLP-1 medications and bariatric surgery together remained rare, accounting for just 0.2% of patients throughout the study. The authors say these findings highlight the need for evidence-based guidance on how GLP-1 medications should be used for adolescents and young adults. More research is needed on changing patient preferences in this age group and long-term outcomes of newer treatment options.